There, this is the picture of the greatest scientist you must have heard about, Sir Isaac Newton. You see here, he used to have very long hair, but because of mercury poisoning, his lot of hair fell down, and he blamed for his hair loss to his friends who were envious of him. There were a lot of jealousy among all these great people. He also fought for claiming discovery of calculus with a German scientist. It also reminds me of Thomas Alva Edison when he betrayed Nikola Tesla, and he used to do a lot of tricky and gimmicks to malign Tesla, and unluckily Tesla was ruined by ill fate when his laboratory burnt. His greatest discovery was shattered. The bottom line is, we should not judge people by his success, by his discovery and invention, but by his greatness of the power of personality. How wise he is, how loving he is, how happy he is, how kind he is. You will see in the history, Gautam Siddhartha Buddha, he renounced the world, but he was the happiest person because he loved everyone. He never despised, he never hate. And in this generation you will find Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi. He is the happiest person because he loves everyone. Not only humans, because humans are the most evils and devils. Once Newton and Edison can be so rubbish, so idiot and so jealous of other colleagues and friends, what to talk of ordinary mortals? But I am exception. I love everyone. But only I am afraid of the inimical attitude of the human being. You see, Xi Jinping, he is spreading coronavirus to kill the whole earth. And there are so many evils and devils everywhere in India and abroad. So I love more to the birds, which animals, plants. I tell you, friends, sisters and brothers, daughters and sons, be a good human being. Follow the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion. Forget about greed. Forget about intelligence and cleverness. Try to be more human, kind and generous and loving and affectionate. This can really save the world, and this can really give you happiness. We can develop a lot more, but still we can be undeveloped if we have not developed our mind. If we don't develop feelings for every creature. The world is doomed and ruined by the poachers, the killers, the murderers of the wild animals. And Xi Jinping is poaching the human beings. Near about 50 lakhs, millions of people have died because of coronavirus. He has become superpower in economy, in wealth. But the bankrupt, mentally retarded, idiot, worse than Hitler, he is ruining the earth. So don't be astonished by greatness and success of somebody. Look at how generous, kind, compassionate, and loving he is, as I am and as Gautam Siddhartha Buddha was. Believe in yourself. I tell you, I love you. But do you believe in yourself? You also love everyone? If you don't love, start loving. Your time is short. Everything will finish one day. There will be nothing here. Lone and level sand stretched far away, boundless and bare. That is going to be a story like Ozymandias. Nothing besides remains from the decay of the colossal wreck. Boundless and bare, lone and level sand stretched far away. Your grave heart will only remain. Thank you.